Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. Today in our this video we discuss about best web hosting services, top best web hosting services, which is the best service for website. Following are some best web hosting services for your website. Number 1, Bluehost, best web hosting overall. Hostinger, best WordPress hosting. HostGator, best share web hosting. InMotion hosting, best reseller web hosting. Green Geeks, best green web hosting service. GoDaddy, best sport web host. And the last, domain.com, best share hosting provider. Which web host is fastest? 7 best fastest web hosting services: Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, DreamHost, Green Geeks, Insta, and the last, Scala hosting. Next, these are the top 10 best web hosting services: Bluehost, HostGator, Hostinger.com, GoDaddy, DreamHost, HostPapa, Network, A2 Hosting, GoDaddy, and the last, Wix.com. What are web hosting services and which is right for you? Website hosting services are basically the plot of internet land that your website store front sites on. If you have a website, it need to be on the web, and these hosting storefront sits on. If you have a website, it needs to be on the web, and these hosting services are the landlord that puts up your site and keep it running so your customers can access and see it when they type in your URL. There are different types of web hosting services that cater to the varying types of businesses. Some web hosting companies will build your entire website while other will just give you the plot of land and the shovel and leave you to do it. Depending on your business model and size, you shall choose a hosting company based on the factor explained below. How to choose the best web hosting company? Without the best web hosting, your ability to run a successful website is going to be seriously hindered. There is a dizzying array of web hosting providers competing for your business. How can you pinpoint the best one? Start by keeping the following points in your mind. Bandwidth, compatibility, reliability, security, hosting packages and what they mean to you. The larger or more complex a website, the more comprehensive a configuration package it's going to need. The main ones are broken down as follow: shared, VPS, dedicated, WordPress. Some top features when it comes to top hosting quality: uptime guarantee, load time, custom support, location. The lowdown on uptimes. If you are looking into web hosting, you shall hear the term uptime guarantee a lot. Uptime, which is the percentage of time that a hosting service is up and running, will be guaranteed by various companies with a certain percentage of time to be up. That doesn't mean they will definitely go down for the other percentage of the time, but they can say without fail that they will be up for at least that amount of time. This is important is because you don't want to your sit constantly being unavailable or unreachable to your customers. Otherwise, why have a website at all? Quality brands like HostGator and Bluehost offer a more than 99% uptime guarantee, and that's really good for your business. How can you learn more about hosting services? Review sheets like these have done all the work for you and condense the information you need into short, concise review on each brand. Browse these reviews to get the most data in the least amount of time, effort, in order to make a well informed decision. The pricing of web hosting and its value. Some choose web hosting provider based solely on price. While that's not a great strategy, you should certainly take pricing into consideration. The best providers offer plan for every budget, and in some cases singing up for a longer time. The best provider offer plans for every budget. Also leave some room to grow, and in some cases consider one that offer a scalable plan along the same lines. You may want to pay check out some of the top names in the industry of web hosting services. On the first number there is the HostGator, Bluehost, A2 Hosting, and the last conclusion. As tempting as it may be to choose a web hosting provider quickly and just get on with your life, it's undeniable better to take your time. I am doing so you shall able to find a provider you can stick with for the long haul, designed to help the users. So friends, these are the top 10 best web hosting companies. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Goodbye and take care.